Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your skills with LinkedIn, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page. Review your current skills and highlight those relevant to your desired career path. To add skills, click on the Add Profile section button. Select Skills. Click on the Add a New Skill option. Enter the skill you wish to add and select the appropriate proficiency level. Save your changes. Next, leverage your network for endorsements. Reach out to colleagues or former managers and ask them to endorse your skills. Be specific about the skills you want them to endorse. Once you receive endorsements, display your most endorsed skills prominently on your profile. Now, focus on your experience section. Tailor your previous job descriptions to highlight transferable skills. Use action verbs and quantify achievements whenever possible. Next, explore the LinkedIn Learning platform. Search for courses that align with your new skill set. Complete relevant courses to enhance your qualifications. After finishing courses, add them to your profile in the certification section. Join relevant LinkedIn groups to connect with professionals in your target field. Participate in discussions to demonstrate your expertise. Look for job postings related to your desired skill set. Research the qualifications and experiences that employers seek. Adjust your profile summary to reflect your evolution in skills. Ensure your summary articulates your value proposition. Regularly update your profile as you gain more skills and experiences. Finally, engage with content related to your target industry. Share articles, comment on posts, and connect with thought leaders to expand your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.